Hello everyone, I am Surya. Today I am going to discuss about computer numerical control system. This is one of the type of PCB prototype series. Introduction to PCB and CNC. PCB is a board that mechanically supports and electrically connects electronic components made of non-conductive substrate and etched copper plates. Computer numerical control is the automated control of machine tool by a computer representing an evolution from earlier numerical control system that relied on data from punched cards or tabs. CNCs became the standard due to easier programming. PCB prototype machine milling process overview. The PCB milling process follows a simple step-by-step follow to turn your digital design into physical board. It typically includes data transfer, drilling, routing, milling, and testing. Key points: CAM software. The design of part is created using CAD software. This design is then translated into manufacturing instruction by CAM software. A post-processor then converts these derivatives into specific commands needed for a particular CNC machine. Coordinate system. All G code and M code commands are based on three-dimensional Cartesian coordinate system. An absolute origin point or home position is set on the material to provide starting reference on tool pads. How CNC works? CNC machine basics. Motorized tool under platform controlled by a computer. It is controlled by a computer. Instruction uses G code and M code. Motion system multi-axis XY and Z for depth. Motors driven by precision stepper or servo motors. This motor is control types: open loop, closed loops with feedbacks. CNC practice. Productivity and efficiency, tool, machine crashing, numerical precision and backlash, modern tools. Challenges: learning curves. Operating the software and the machine can require some technical skill. Material waste. The process creates dust and requires careful handling of materials. Limitations: most desktop machines are best for single or double sided boards only. Creating complex multi-layer boards still require professional manufacturing. Application of CNC: mills, latches, plasma cutters, water jet cutters, electric discharge machines, punch presses. Thank you.